Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you about an app to transfer data from Android to Android. If you are using Android phones and now you want to transfer your data from Android to Android, so let's see how can you do this. First of all, you just have to look for Easy Share in your phone. Here's that, just open it and just look on this phone, go for app search, and here you just have to search for Easy Share, just tap on it to open it. And here just tap on agree to open the app. From here you just have to select file transfer as we're going to transfer data. Just select here and select the same option here, and here you just have to select which one do you want to do. If you want to transfer send your data from this phone to this phone, so just select send from here. And if you want to send data from this phone to this phone, so select send here. I'm going to send here, and here just tap on receive, then select set now, and here you just have to access your location, just enable this, and here just go back, then just tap on receive again, then tap on got it, and then select while using the app, then allow, and here it will start scanning for other devices just like that. You just have to look for this device in this menu icon. Here's that, just tap on this option to connect with. But if you can't get it, you can easily select scan to connect and then select scan here to scan this QR code. But I'm going to connect with this tabbing, so just scan this. Here you just have to scan this QR code from this phone just like that. Here you can see these are connecting, so you just have to wait for it. Here the phones are connected. Now you can easily transfer your data. Here your apps, videos, images, music, files, and contacts. You can easily select which one you want to send, or you can easily send files from this phone if you want. So just select the things which you want to share. As I'm going to share some apps, so just select that, then select send from here. So it will start transferring your data just like that. So that's how you can easily transfer data from Android to Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.